What? Chidajowa?
My prince.
Where have you been? I've been searching for you everywhere.
No vex, sir. I did back here, they sleep before. No vex.
All right, go to my room.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Oh! What?
Sorry, sir.
You have the guts to lay your filthy hands on me. Are you mad? Are you...
What do you want to do? You won't slap me? What didn't I do you when you slapped my hands before? Eh? You say Buka? You see this nonsense when you try. Don't try him again. And not be all this domestic stuff where you do oppress, so where they do nonsense too. If you try that nonsense with me, you go collect woto. You didn't whine.
God!
My friend.
God! Take this non-entity, a daughter of nobody, to the palace cell. Hey! I want to lock her. No food, no visitor until I change my mind. Do that now!
Come! Leave me! Leave me the dress! Punish you now! Come on!
What? Go after her! Go after her! What? A married woman! Escaped! And you two, what are you looking for? Come on, go! Go!
Enough! God! Your Majesty. Your Majesty, this is not fair. Man.
It is not fair. It is not fair. Follow him. Just follow him.
No problem. We will come back.
We are waiting. We will come back. We are waiting. Nonsense.
These men should be arrested. They should be arrested with immediate effect. I don't know why you let them go.
What?
What is
I
going on?
am going to deal with you. I will deal with you!
What happened? What is going on? Eh? Ebuka? What is the matter?
Mother, please! Please! Look for her!
My friend, Jide has escaped.
Eh?
Yes, she has run out of the palace.
What happened? What's going on?
Jide has escaped.
What do you mean by she has escaped? Are you mad? Why am I paying you all? Why are you even in this palace? A mere woman. A woman! A daughter of nobody. You allowed to escape. Why you allowed her to escape out of my palace? Huh?
Ebuka, what did she do? Talk to me, what happened?
Listen, you all listen. I am giving you all 20 minutes. 20 minutes to go and find her, or I will chop off your heads and feed the beast in the forest. Go now!
Can you just calm down and tell me what happened? What is the matter?
Mama, please.
What did she do?
Mother! Mind your business. Mind the business that pays you.
Your brother has gone. Oh, please! It is your brother that will go, man, not mine. Nonsense, rubbish. Bro! Adore! Adore, you talk to me in that manner? I'm finished. What is going on? What is the matter?
You daughter of a nobody. You dare challenge me? The prince of Ezekiel kingdom. Nobody dares. Right? I have been looking for you everywhere. And today, you are at my mercy. Your ancestors. Your stupid, ugly ancestors shall receive your soul in hell.
Where you? Not a cap nonsense. They hear me. I don't fear anybody. Go ask question. I know well. Oh. My name is Jide Chowa. The daughter of a great hunter. Now maybe the only pikin when Papa born finish. Still they find pikin. I'm not that useful to myself. Oh, look me well. I'm not that useful to myself. You say this is your gun, this is your toy. Will make me that useful. Eh?
I can see that you have the balls to challenge me. Now, go to hell!
What did they do this one? You didn't whine. You swallow wish. You didn't make I think they go punish you.
What?
Oh, punish you. Today, they do say you nonsense person. Now give me this your eyeglass. I'll fire you. Oh. You not go ask question before you commit. I know well, oh. Do anyhow you collect.
Jide? Jide Chowa?
Ma, please come
What are your plans for tomorrow concerning our visitors?
I dey plan to cook insala soup with goat meat and fufu. Then I dey think say make I put pap with akara and moi moi. Your visitors they go need protein. We get one other soup where I see for online. Now online for check am. Na how do they call am again? Afang. But when could they full and where your visitors go like am. Very nice.
It's okay. Afang is a good one. I think the insala and the goat meat is also good. But what I'm having a second thought is the pap and akara.
The pap, no go there, my queen. Your main visitors they need them well. Now they call Akamu Jehovah. Very gang, my queen. Even king go need them. Now for your own good. You need that pap in brocos. The veins go stand kidigba if he enter you. You go be like a caterpillar jam you. Ha, my queen. The king need the pap. Don't cast the update too. No tell person that me tell you. This update very scarce. Now let me know the update. Akamu, you didn't whine. You need them. You need them. You go be now. Ma go start preparation. My queen. Hey, which kind of dream be this? Me and this prince again? He shoot me with gun 3 times, the gun no enter. Who do the other shit for me when make gun no enter my body? Jide Chowa. You be like say this your malaria don't come up again, no. See the way I got that morale for the dream. I just I shoot them. Eh? Oh, Petweke. Sure.
Jide?
Eh?
The prince wants to see you now.
Okay. Where they go?
Your Majesty.
This is getting out of hand. And we, the people of Ezekwama, the last brother of Ezeku, we will not accept this. Your Majesty, this is not our norm. This is not our culture. And this is totally unacceptable.
Sit down.
You don't tell me to sit down.
I said in Zokonko, sit down.
Don't worry, it will get to you.
No, how dare you ask my brother to sit down?
Oh no, enough is enough. Oh no, how can you beat a child and at the same time ask that child not to cry? Ask them. Oh no, remember this is the 3rd time this kind of thing is happening in this kingdom. Why are we even talking about this evil act in the first place? Huh?
Oji, who are you to stand and raise your voice in front of Majesty? And who are you? Answer me, Oji.
I know I am nobody. And you people have been treating us like puppets in this kingdom. But guess what? Enough is enough. We will not take it.
We will not take it. And what will you do? What will you do?
I will deal with
You want it? You. Audrey, what will you do?
I will deal with it.
Look at this. Deal with you. Look at him. What can you do? Audrey.
You think you are doing the right thing? Creating havoc in the whole kingdom.
Don't mind them.
Chidejowa! Chidejowa!
My prince.
Where have you been? I've been searching for you everywhere.
No vex, sir. I did back here, they sleep before. No vex.
All right, go to my room.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Oh!
What? Sorry, sir. Sorry, I'm not.
You have the guts to lay your filthy hands on me. Are you mad? Are you...
What do you want to do? You won't slap me? What didn't I do you when you slapped my ass before? Eh? You say Buka? You see this nonsense when you try, don't try him again. And not be all this domestic stuff where you the oppress so where they do nonsense too. If you try that nonsense with me, you go collect woto. You don't whine.
God!
My friends.
God! Take this non-entity, a daughter of nobody, to the palace cell. Hey! I want to lock her. No food, no visitor until I change my mind. Do that now!
Run! Leave me! Leave me the dress! Punish you now! Come on!
What? Go after her! Go after her! What? A male woman escaped! And you two, what are you looking for? Go! Go!
Enough! God. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, this is not fair. Odoroma.
It is not fair. It is not fair. Follow him. Just follow him.
No problem. We will come back.
We are waiting. We will come back. We are waiting. Nonsense.
You wait. These men should be arrested. They should be arrested with immediate effect. I don't know why you let them go.
What?
What is
I
going
am
on?
going to deal with you. I will deal with you!
What happened? What is going on? Huh? Ebuka? What is the matter?
Mother, please! Please! Look for her!
My prince, Jide has escaped.
Eh?
Yes, she has run out of the palace.
What happened? What's going on?
Jide has escaped.
What do you mean by she has escaped? Are you mad? Why am I paying you all? Why are you even in this palace? A mere woman, a daughter of nobody, you allowed to escape. Why you allowed her to escape out of my palace? Huh?
Ebuka, what did she do?
Now
Talk to me, what happened?
Listen, you all listen. I am giving you 20 minutes. 20 minutes to go and find her, or I will chop off your heads and feed the beast in the forest. Go now!
Can you just calm down and tell me what happened? What is the matter?
Mama, please.
What did she do?
Mother! Mind your business. Mind the business that pays you.
Your brother has gone.
Oh, please! It is your brother that will go, man, not mine. Nonsense, rubbish.
Bro! Adore! Adore, you talk to me in that manner? I'm finished. What is going on? What is the matter?
Yeah, he's getting up. What? Mazoko. I'm no longer comfortable about what is happening. What do we do? That idiot, so-called our prince, is now raping our young girls. And every time he will go scot-free. Is it because their father is the Igwe? He's now above the law. Is that not so?
Ichioji, We are going to write the Commissioner of Police. And you know, I have always told you to relax. But you wouldn't listen. You are just too short-tempered, and that is not okay with me.
Why won't I be? Why won't I be? Just tell me. This idiot now is cutting short our children from moving around or from having free liberty in their own father's land.
Ichioji.
Because he's just a prince.
Ichioji, let us go.
Anyway, you said you are going to write Commissioner of Police. Okay, let's go.
Choi! Mana Prince, hi, Choi. Hey! I told her not to go to that palace. I told her not to collect that job. But look at it now. Prince have raped my girl.
Nah, but my man, this is madness, oh. It's Botara. Eh? What in this community self they turn into? How can we have a prince as a rapist? Somebody who is moving freely, terrorizing the whole community, terrorizing our girls within Chonchin here. This story no clear, I swear to God. But I thought it's consensual.
Chineke kpọọ ọkụ n'ihe ikwu kịta. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. If we nụrụ ihe okwu kịta.
Aka ọwụ nwa gị ka atara.
Ọ wala concession now, akpe?
It's clear.
Don't worry, I swear, Prince ga-eri nwa gị.
A ga-ata nwa gị.
Ọkwa ifu nwunye na ndị ọ na-aba agbanye ọbụla ikoro na-akwụgharị na nke mma Ngozi. Prince, don't worry.
But my man, I think the best thing is for us to request for our own autonomous. So, kingdom and dollar like I say.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
This is unfair. And then the treat I'm very, very bad.
Yes.
And I don't want anyhow.
Do you know where this thing is spending me? Do you know where? That's Prince Eliego. Plan. That's somebody that I'm planning. Somebody that I'm planning.
Virgin girl again.
Hey!
Oh, with them. It's be a first one.
Okay, forget.
What go virgin? They got it and one be with the opportunity.
On we here forever now.
Come.
On we here forever now.
I got attack again. My prince not attack again. Eh? They got it and one be with the opportunity. What I am about.
So una priest send una mo una go arrest me. You no fear, be? For my papa house. You no fear. If una get mind, make una put body. Cross this place. I'll give una short sleeve cutting. I know well, low. Wanna go ask question.
Jide Chowa, this is an order from the prince. So you have to surrender now.
Surrender your papa. You dey hear me? Una go surrender una self. You see that na stupid prince. Na thunder go fire am. He no fear. He look me. Slap me for my yansh. Abi ashawo. No, Abi ashawo, Abi. He slap me for my yansh. Tell me say na spanking. He no fear my face. He no fear my height. He tear me slap. If I catch him, wetin I go do am? And if they not come out for this place, una blood go speak ground. I go blood una for this place.
Let's go.
No, stay. Stay now. See that prince, oh? He didn't whine. Only 1 week when I stay for palace. He don't show me madness. You think I be all this medicine they rape up and down? I not get that for that kind of nonsense. So if you try that rubbish with me, you go collect. I go punish all of una. Nonsense.
I want you to kill me. Kill me.
Obika, please, leave that boy for Christ's sake. Biko, leave him.
Father, leave my clothes. I don't want to push you.
Oh, you want to push me?
You have no strength in you. Allow me to go.
Go ahead and push me. And I want you to kill me. I want to rest. I just want to rest. Then you can take over the kingdom and continue to rape the maidens. Kill me.
Father, please leave my brother alone. Leave him alone. Ebuka is an adult. Leave him alone, please. Let him enjoy his life.
I want this boy to kill me. He will not. And it has to be today. He will kill me.
Obika, please, he will not kill you. Let him be, Biko. Happier.
Father, I don't want to push you. I'm saying this for the last time. I do not want to push you.
Get ready to leave this country. Get ready to leave my kingdom.
You lie.
Get out of my palace.
Father, you lie. If
Get out of my
I
palace.
leave this kingdom, let me die.
They will kill you.
Let me die.
Then you will die.
No one is going to push me out of this my father's kingdom.
You will die. You will die.
I am the prince of this land. Nothing is going to happen to me.
I say you will die.
Alright? Get
out of my palace.
Father, you have no life. Very soon you're going to die through your ancestors. So allow me to live my life. Huh? They will kill him. Nothing. No one is going to do anything to me. You will do nothing. You will be very
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill.
Yes, this is my kingdom, and I have every right to do anything. He will soon die, and I will take over the throne. Yes, he will do nothing.
Don't talk to your father like that. It's not right.
Then advise him. Advise him.
I bet you will leave this kingdom because you have shamed yourself enough. You have disgraced yourself and you're not satisfied. I have given you women for your satisfaction. I have given you wives. All you do is have them beaten up to stupor and chase them away. Because you want to satisfy your evil desire of molesting and raping all my female staff. Now you want to lay with the chef. Don't that punish that your God forbid.
Hey. Since you do not want to give me peace in this palace, I am going to give you war. No, war I shall give you because you deserve it. So let me tell you something. You will soon die and I will take over the throne. Alright? Mama, talk to your husband. I have every right to do anything with any of my subjects. Alright? My business should not be his business. Mba! He's an old man. Advise your husband. Advise him. Hey, you bastard! Open the gates. Open the gates.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill.
Look at my daughter. Look at what the priest did to my own daughter.
Woman, how did it happen? Talk to your uncle.
I went to clean his bedroom. I didn't know he was in there. I was so engrossed with what I was doing. I didn't know he'd noticed him coming out from the bathroom. He asked me to come to him. I refused. I tried to move away. I tried to leave. He grabbed me. I screamed. I begged him. I kept on begging him, but he didn't listen. He just beat me up. He kept beating me. And then he took advantage of me.
Excuse me. I want to get it right. You mean the prince raped you right at the palace?
Yes, Uncle, he did. He did.
My brother, on this matter, God in heaven is going to judge this matter. See what they did to me, a poor widow like me.
Uche, it's okay. I will know what to do about the matter. You mean the prince raped you right at the palace?
He did. Mama, who would judge him? It's okay.
I'm sorry, baby girl. I have to take care of my daughter before coming down.
I see. So your daughter is more important than me, right?
Baby girl, you cannot be doing that right now. You cannot be comparing yourself with my little girl. Come on.
Last week, is still this your daughter? You don't even have time for me. You don't even create time for me. Come on.
But I told you. She was sick last week and I had to take her to the hospital. I thought I told you this already. Why are you bringing it up now?
It's okay. I understand. I will be coming for the weekend. I want us to spend some quality time together.
born together, you understand? You know, this is a new relationship, so we need to get to know each other very well.
Why, Princess? Why do you choose me as your man? You know I'm a single father, and I wouldn't want you to feel like my attention is divided.
Marvin, I love you so much. And you know that. I love you. That's by the way. Let's go to my room.
But we can stay out here. I mean, the weather out here is good. Huh?
Marvin, don't tell me you're afraid to come to my room.
Afraid? You cannot be afraid of that. Huh? How could you even say that?
I'll be waiting.
Babe. Babe, come on, baby girl.
Leave me alone. I said I don't want to do it by force. Leave me alone now. Leave me.
Amara, what is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No, what is the meaning of this?
Nothing.
Amara, come inside. Come inside.
Come and do what?
Amara, we are newly married. A man and his wife are supposed to be together. If you continue all this drama that you are doing, how are we supposed to reproduce? No, how am I supposed to enjoy you?
After you to give me small time, what is all this now? I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
I don't have time. I do not have, this team does not have time. Eh? I have to enjoy you now. You are my wife. What is all this?
I'll go to my father's house. Oh. I'll go to my father's house.
Yeah, Wanya. It's like you are drinking something. What do you mean you go to your father's house? Are you joking or what?
Not joking. I'll go to my father's house. You are disturbing me now. I told you to just give me small time. Is it hard? Give me a little time. I'm not ready.
Okay. See, come inside. Let me show you something.
I'll do what?
Come, let me show you something.
Come and see what?
Let me show you something inside.
I don't want to see anything.
Amara, come inside. Let me show you something.
Come and see what? Show me here.
I cannot show you here. It's meant for your eyes only.
No, my eyes is paining me. I can't see it.
You will like it. Amara, come now. What? No. Amara. Amara. You see what you cost?
What did I cost? What did I cost? Stay on your own. You cannot stay.
This is how you want it, okay? This is how you want it. Amara, come inside. Amara, come inside. If you go to your father's house, you better stay there. Don't come back to my house. Are you still there? Come inside now. You are not coming.
You look at that in balls like this, squeeze them. Oh God. Hi. Make I catch this prince one-on-one. Teeth go full everywhere.
Sister, are you saying that you have resigned your job as the palace chef?
Hey, now, I dey waste time. I know they tolerate rubbish.
Do you know my own now? See, this guy don't chop my girl. This guy don't chop my virgin girl. Hi. The most annoying thing now, I say, the parents don't speak English. They say na consensual. Imagine now, Ndiala.
What do you expect? They don't collect money now.
Sister, what will you now be doing?
Sister little girl plan not to carry gun follow us enter bush.
Bushy, shut up. You dey talk nonsense like say your papa go gree make I go hunt.
Papa no get choice. Now he give you work for palace. You don't resign. Carry gun more all of us enter bush.
See, as I dey like this now, I know they think go that side. I never even know what I want to do with my life now. I just need some time to think. They feel me?
Make I catch this prince one-on-one. One-on-one. If I don't see one, if I say I'm the drive now, I go stone in glass everywhere go bust.
You have changed. Are you going out?
I'm going in. You didn't see me come from the road now to go back inside, Abby.
Where are you going?
Yeah, Wanya. If you like, stay outside. Don't go inside. If you like, remain outside. Don't enter into your husband's house. I'm going out.
Come back now. It's even better you go out. Please, I want this matter to be settled and sweep under the carpet for the sake of Aboma's future.
Well, I understand, my queen.
Madam, on behalf of my husband, the king of this kingdom, I sincerely apologize for whatever that happened to Aboma. So sorry about it, please.
It's okay. If you say so, it's fine.
Mazi, please. Have this. Just, please. It's a token. Please. Please. I believe this money will go a long way. But please, let us not allow this matter to escalate. I beg you. Can I have Hobna Tanab and Kobola Montabiko?
I will not allow the matter to escalate.
Thank you so much.
I will try my best.
It's okay. Thank you.
Before you die.
Madam, like I said, I am very, very sorry. Please. I hope you enjoy yourself. Yes, just make yourself comfortable. In case you need anything, just try to do it, okay? Yeah, come on.
I'm going.
You should be here.
Juice. Juice.
Ebuka, I need you to talk to me.
Mom, please, I need some privacy right now. Pico.
Why do you drive joy in molesting young girls? Why are you a pain in the neck? Tell me, because we need to have that conversation now.
Mother, I am a prince, and whatsoever I choose to do with my subjects should not be your concerning business.
And that does not give you the right, the power to behave like an animal. Ebuka, I have suffered. I have covered you enough. I have paid huge amounts of money to your victims. I have begged. I have talked to your father about you. What is all this? What do you have me do?
Mom, in all of this that you've mentioned, who sent you to pay my victims? Who? You decided to do that in your own account, like you decided to do that for yourself, not for me. Mom, please, I want to sleep. I really need to rest right now. Pico.
Ebuka, let me sound this as a warning. Let this be the last time you will lay your hand or your manhood to any maiden forcefully in this kingdom.
Whatever.
If you try it.
Angel. How are you?
Good evening, Princess Adure.
Good evening, my beautiful love. How are you doing?
Fine. Have you come to stay with us? I want you to stay with us.
Baby girl, she's going to stay with you when I travel for Abuja, right?
Okay.
Sounds good.
Don't worry, I'll come and stay with you once your dad travel, okay?
Okay.
Alright, baby girl. Now, Daddy needs to go get some shower, right? Let me get into the shower. Oh, okay. My love, I hope you are doing your assignments well, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Awesome. Awesome. If you need help, you let me know, okay?
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, my baby girl. Alright. I got you. I got you. 1-0. It's about 2-0. 2 from Daddy. Okay, let's go. The last one. Okay, I got it. That's 1-0, yeah? No, it's not. Ready? You're trying to cheat. I got you. You're trying to cheat. Don't cheat, yeah?
Mom, don't even go there. You are the worst person to advise me right now, please. I love him. Yes, I want him. He's a single dad, and so what? I should deal with it. It's fine. Good night.
Okay. My dear, try to be a good girl, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Otuji!
Sir.
I hope you watch the car.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Sir, is there another thing to carry?
No, nothing. Alright now. Baby girl, take care of yourself, okay? We're cheating. Okay. Pick two from here. Play my princess. How many are you taking? You're supposed to take only 2.
I can't find 2.
No, you just pick 1, 2. That's it.
I told you I don't know how to play this
game. Play. She don't have it. Oh, nice. You do. Okay, so you know how to play it, eh? You know how to play it. Okay. Shut on my princess. Okay. Oh, I don't have what to do. No, you're cheating. You're not supposed to see what is there. You just take and hide. Yeah? But it's not your turn yet. You're cheating us now, eh? Okay, no. It's allowed. She's going to play. I think I'm the one, yeah? Here we go. I'm changing it to a circle. Let's go. Who has a circle or a 3? Okay. Oh, you do? Okay. It's your turn now. Do you need help? Oh my God. Baby, you're giving me 2. Are you sure? Okay, no problem. Princess, you're trying to cheat. Don't cheat. I'll take 2. It's not you. It's not you. She's not to take 2. Not you, princess. Oh, you're giving her. Okay, better. Now you play. Let's go. I'm going to win. Promise you. What's happening? Where are you going to? You're not playing again. It's fine. Let's continue. Okay. It's going now while I run along. Let me go fetch Heaven from school. So that I need to run now. Let me fetch Heaven from school. Okay?
I don't understand. Don't you have a driver? Can't he pick her from school?
My driver is unavailable. He's on leave.
Babe, we need to talk and it had to be now. I mean, I just got here and you are leaving. Really? You just want to leave me and go?
My dear, just make yourself comfortable, okay? I'll be back. Alright, I can't keep Heaven waiting. Alright? I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. I'll see you now.
And you, what are you doing here by this time of the night? Come on, will you run to your room? I said run to your room!
Tara. Sister, what is it? What happened? Nothing. It's just a dream. Hey. Let's go inside.
Oh, stop! Now stop! What is it?
wait now.
Wait what? Don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me.
Amaka, I don't understand. Eh? I don't understand. What is the problem?
What? You don't understand what? Don't touch me. Just leave me alone. Let me be. What is it? Do you have a problem with hearing? Happen to Maka.
Amaka, since I married you, I have not touched you. You have not allowed me to touch you. Eh? I cannot wait any longer.
I said you should just wait a little. I'm not ready.
Amaka, I cannot wait.
You have to wait.
This thing cannot wait.
You have to wait. You have to wait. I'll leave this place. I'll go to another place. I'll go to the sitting room.
Just give me small now. Eh? I'll just put small.
Make sure you don't touch me. Even to Kwanamaka.
Amaka, I don't.
Leave me alone! What is it?
Give me small.
Leave me! Chima!
Amaka.
Abumaka!
Just
leave me!
I'm begging.
Don't do. Remove your hand from here. Every time you want to do. What is it?
We have not done before now.
I said give me just more time. We cannot do now. I'm not ready. Chima, I will not warn you again. Leave me alone now. What is it? Eh? What is it? Do you have a problem with your ears? I said I don't want to do. I don't want to do.
Sorry that I'm trying to use.
You to Biko.
Just
Biko.
This thing, I cannot control it anymore.
You have to control it though. You have to control it. I don't want to. I cannot do now.
Please now, when will you now do? When? Eh?
I said give me a little time. If you give me small time, I will do by myself.
This is all you've been saying since I married you. What kind of a wife does not allow the man to perform his marital duties? Yeah? Amara, you must do. You must do.
Chima, don't touch me. Chima, I'm not gonna mark her.
Amara, you must do. Amara.
I'm going to work for that palace again. I no go try am. See as that prince there like this, I no get business with him. Me and that prince don't go fit pass the same road because anyway I catch him, he go collect.
Wait. So you mean he actually asked his guards to lock you up in the cell?
No be small thing, uncle. As I tell escape, no be beans. That prince, useless prince, slapped me for my yansh.
What?
He slapped me for my bum. As if that one was not enough. He knocked me slap for face. Come tell the guards me they go lock me up. That one that they call abuse. Uncle, if na for city, I supposed to sue that man. He abused my human rights, and I know they use my human rights play.
You see, you will not work in that palace again. I will go and look for another job for you.
No, Uncle, no bother to find job for me. I want follow Bushi go dey hunt for bushmeat. I want to become a full-time hunter.
No, now. You can't do that. Remember, you're a woman.
Uncle, I don't make up my mind. See, now that work I won't do. No bother to find job for me. Oh. I want to be a full-time hunter, not be half for full-time. I go hunt for bushmeat, they sell and they make money.
Oh. By the way, where is Chidera?
Greetings. Who are you? Are you new in this kingdom?
No, my prince. Though we lived in the city, Kano, before we finally moved to the village.
Ah. Who is your father?
Little Nora.
You may go.
I want you to search everything, all the details about that girl. I want to eat her. I don't care if she's an orphan or not. I want to eat her.
As it pleases you, my prince.
God. Look at that girl. On a good day, I am going to eat you. I will eat you. I will eat you raw.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije motwa, ije bajaba.
I'm back. Welcome. Oh God, I don't go kick my leg for stone.
Sorry. Let me press it for you.
Hey.
Sorry. Let me go and bring something and go on.
No, leave her.
No, go dry. No. You sure?
Hi,
Dogo. Sorry, yeah? Sorry. You see this stone, eh? You go come out and you go pull and come out. It too they injure me. Sure?
Hey. Sorry.
Don't worry, go. I just
Sister Aisha will not put
I did okay. I won't quit. I be strong and what for you?
Good afternoon. Jide Chawa.
Is your mama fine?
I'm fine, oh. Queen asked me to come and call you. You are needed in the palace.
Any problem?
No be you run. She's worried.
I know they go anywhere. Now yeah, I pin put. You better say I get peace from my papa's house that to go collect insult for that palace. I know they go anywhere. Tell her say I know they come.
I suggest you go and see her.
Come on for this place. Say Papo.
Talk to your sister.
Go. Come on for here. Before. Even if they carry gun put for my head, I know they go anywhere.
Yes.
This stupid stone. You go come on this stone for this place. Pull and come out, oh. It too they injure me, oh.
It has come to my knowledge that you and your people are clamoring for division in my kingdom.
Igwe, the youths are angry. They are the people seeking justice. I only demanded the right things to be done.
By instigating them against the prince?
I will never do that.
Ichiokonko. So you have the guts to petition the commissioner of police against our prince.
I also copied His Majesty. We cannot continue to allow things that are forbidden in our kingdom, in our land, to continue to thrive all the time. Listen, I am an Ichie here, and I represent my people here. The prince of this kingdom committed a sacrilege and returned to continue to pamper and sugarcoat everything that concerns him. Is this how he's going to rule our land?
Okay. Nze.
No.
Did our prince in any way molest or abuse your niece?
Kedumbo. Keboname. Who does that? I don't want anybody that will bring problem in this palace. Please.
Are you trying to say that...
Say what? I'm not trying to say anything. What happened was consensual.
What?
Yes, consensual.
Ichiokonko, I invited you to this palace to give you the last warning.
Your Majesty.
I am the king. You are all my subjects. If my son, the crown prince of this great kingdom, had done anything or is doing anything that is untoward, I, the king, as well as his father, I am working on it.
You are correct.
Now, I give you the very last warning. Stop instigating the people against my son. Stop picking on my son. Because I am bigger than you. I am stronger than you. And I am more highly connected than you are. But I will not tell you what I will do to you if you dare me. I am telling you for the very last time, I will personally deal with you.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije botwa, ije bajaba. If you destroy all,
Dad, I will miss you.
I know, baby girl. I will miss you so much. But don't you worry. I'll be back within, a month. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
I'm sure you'll be a good girl.
Yes.
Nice one. My love, do take care of yourself and my angel for me, yeah?
Don't worry, baby. I will. Don't you trust me?
Of course I do.
We are good.
I do. My love, be a good girl, huh? Don't play too much.
Okay.
Don't play too much, oh.
Okay.
Promise me. I love you.
I'll miss you. I want you to go and return when your boss is back.
Sorry, Ma. My job is to look after her. I am paid for it.
What are the things you do in this house?
Like I said, I do take care of her. I always make her hair every Friday and also cook for the house.
What is that your name?
My name is Linda.
Good. I want you to go and return when your boss is back. I'm able and capable of doing everything in this house, so you have to go.
Ma!
Is something wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Are you questioning my orders? I say you should go and return when your boss is back. Are you mad?
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for yourself.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the body, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you'll bear the consequences.
Babe, like I said, I can take care of the house. I can take care of heaven. You already know, I just want to bond with her. Yes, babe. Don't bother yourself. I will do everything. No, I didn't fire her. I mean, why should I? And besides, I've complained about this nanny, the way she treats Evan. I don't like it. Don't worry, the work won't be too much on me. I'm fine. Baby, I'm missing you. When are you coming back? Alright. I love you. Bye.
My queen, no vessel. But I don't work for this palace again. In fact, I don't get another job. Nothing concern me with this palace again.
I am not forcing you to come back to the palace. Neither am I begging you to come back. But what I want to tell you is this. I would not want to hear you spread that news of my son trying to molest you. You should try it again. You will regret your life. How dare you? How dare you spread that false rumor? You go about telling people that my own son tried to molest you. Are you mad? Do you even have any proof?
Wait, I don't understand. I think since you come here, you won't beg me for what your son do me. Instead of you to beg me, you they warn me. But I lie for your son head, not be true. You might not throw your pikin well.
Will you shut up? Shut your trap. Are you mad? If you dare open your gutter, this gutter you call mouth, to spread that ungodly news again about my son, my prince, the crown prince of this kingdom, you will regret the day you were born.
But I don't go fit do anything.
Will you get out of here?
Nothing go fit stop. I not clear you. I just respect you. If not, I for fuck you up for here. You whine. Get out. Try your picking well, oh. Get out. So that if I catch him, I go chop in meat. You whine. Get out. Oh God, man. Fool.
Please, I beg you. Leave me now. Please. Wait. Ebam, across corner line now. I want to ask you something. I asked you one question there. Answer me as we are coming. Answer me now. When the priest was doing it, did you scream? It's Impu? Asim, I. Eh? It's him, I. When the priest was doing it, did you say, help her? Because villagers, come and help me. Did we see anything on priest head?
It's not what you think now. It's not what you think. What if you tell no?
Eh? Do you know the only thing now? Go and marry the prince.
No.
Go and marry the prince. Because if I was in the city selling my drink, to God, I would not see somebody like you. Muna ga ma nwe anything to do in common. Lekwegi. Manam keke se aswe omunnem. That's I stoop low for you.
Now, please, I'm sorry. I'm
sorry.
Just
you open your leg.
No.
For Prince. Hey!
Buchi now, please. Buchi, please. Buchi.
Okay.
My love.
If okay. Hi, Prince. Only because he said as Prince, you open leg. Anofia. Yeah? If I was in the city, will you do this to me? Mama take no one now so one day tell you name anu obe papa for Prince. Mama take no my hair. No my hair. You got to get
What are you doing here?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Oh my God. Heaven is hungry. Oh my God. I'm crying. Someone is hungry. My baby girl is hungry. You're hungry?
Yes.
You need food?
Yes.
And you want to eat right now?
Yes.
Okay. Well, come, let's go and get food. Come. Come on, will you get out? Get out! I said get out. You are hungry. You want to eat. I'm not your cook. When you're hungry, come and tell me that you're hungry. As what? Idiot. Rubbish.
This your way.
Oh, come and eat me.
This your character will destroy you. This your way. We need you to if you offend the one, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got that for you. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got that for you. Imagine you got that for you. Imagine so you got that for you. Imagine so you got that for you.
The best food in the market. Every morning she arrives with a big black pot of hot chicken. Every morning she arrives with a big black pot. She puts chicken soup on her head. Then she sat down quietly under a tree. Began to tell her food. She never spoke to anyone. She never to other around.
Hey! And you? What are you doing here? You are studying. Now pack your book and leave. Be fast about it. Now listen to me. Before you eat or play in this house. Now, wash the clothes.
But we have washing machine in the house.
Oh really? We have washing machine in the house. Henceforth, you are the new washing machine in this house. Now get to work. Rubbish. I don't want to meet you here again. Idiots.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character will destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the one, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got that for you. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got that for you. Imagine you got that for you. Imagine so you got that for you.
What is happening here? What in God's name? Look at this little brat. Come on, stand up for yourself. Are you mad? I asked you to wash my clothes and you are here sleeping. Eh? I'm
Madam, Mba, why will you be calling her a witch? Look at the kind of clothes you give her to wash. You even pour her water. If not because say be my madam, I for tell you say make you wash her. Come back here. I said come back here. Kneel down. Kneel down. Raise your hands up. I'm talking. You're still talking, sorry, idiot. Sorry. Now get to work. Get to work! Get my slippers for me. I will stand up, I will make kind.
I say get my slippers for me. Anyhow you want to do it, get my slippers for me. It's like you don't fancy this your joke.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to.
That is thing again, you go get problem. No, God come back.
If you offend the one, you will suffer eternal. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine the world, so you got that for fire.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Come on, I just heard you scream.
I just had a bad dream. I'm okay.
Sorry. You're sure you're fine?
Okay.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the one, you will suffer eternal. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine the world, so you got that for fire. If you offend everybody, you will suffer eternal. Imagine the world, so you got that for fire. Imagine the world, you got that for fire. Imagine the world, so you got that for fire. Imagine the world, so you got that for fire. Imagine the world, so you got that for fire.
General, Chibu, your body dey hot oh, what happened?
Sister, I'm not well. I'm cold. My body is shaking.
That's why they do you?
Yes.
Wait till they come, I get more money. Wait. I dey come here, make I go buy medicine for you. I dey come back now. Hey.
My friend, will you get into your room? Stand up! I said stand up! Get up!
I'm want to speak with my father.
I said get out. I damaged your face, idiot. Come on, get out.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to.
Hello, my love. I'm fine, and you?
Everyone is asleep. Baby, no, I can't wake her up. I want her to sleep. Yes, she ate before going to bed. So tell me, how was your day? How's everything? Do you miss me? I miss you too. When are you coming back?
I want to have a word with you.
Father, as you can see, it is my bedtime. I need to sleep. I need to rest.
Why have you refused to get married? I want to know.
It is none of your business. Absolutely none of your business.
Oh. You want to continue to molest the women in the community. You want to go, freestyling with women as much as you can.
Father, I'm not like you. And I will never be. In short, I have no words to tell you. Please, just let me be.
Ebuka, I don't see you sitting on my throne.
Why? You have another son? No, tell me. Tell me to my face that you have another son that will succeed you.
I don't. Just want you to know. Because you have caused so much humiliation to the royal family. It's causing me so much worry.
Father, if this is why you called me, please don't repeat that again. Please, just let me be. Let me have my peace, and I can assure you that after your demise, I will be the one sitting on that throne. It is a promise. There is nothing you can do. There is nothing your elders can do. It is my birthright. Please, I need to go to bed now. I need to sleep, and please, let me be.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me.
Amara, you told me you like my brother. In fact, you specifically told me that you love him. Then I went ahead to make arrangements for you two to get married. Now you have him. You two are married. What changed? I mean, what is going on? For 7 whole months now, you've been starving him of sex. Why? How can you be starving someone you claim you love sex? Why? What happened?
Is that what he told you?
Yes. That's what he told me. Amara, you know Chima is my brother. I mean, you know how close we are. He doesn't hide anything from me. Look, Chima is bitter. He is not enjoying his marriage at all. And you have to do something. This is not... What is going on now?
Must we have sex all the time?
He is your husband.
I know. I'm not disputing that fact. Look, it's a family matter. You won't understand it.
Wait, Amara, are you trying to chase him away? Now, let me ask you. Are you trying to chase your husband away? You want him to go after other girls?
God forbid. Now, my husband will not look at any other girl. Oh, now.
Amara. Amara. Save your marriage now that it's still early. Save your marriage now that you still can. Do everything you can to restore peace and love back in your home. Don't say I didn't warn you. You will come back crying to me, and I might not really have your time by then. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you.
But you are not letting me understand anything. You don't give me any excuse whatsoever, nothing.
All I ask is a little time. Give me a little time. Just small time. My mind says towards sex right now is very obscured.
But Amara, you were not even a virgin.
I don't want to hear anything about virginity.
Amara.
You won't go school? Sister, I have to be in school today. I have tests to write. I can't afford to miss school today. And today is my birthday. My friends.
Hey, your body dey hot oh. It dey hot like fire. Why you want? But I don't wish you happy birthday since morning now. I don't wish you long life and prosperity since.
I know.
And I even plan to go buy cake and other things. Make I celebrate them for you in a small way. You feel bring your friends come now.
Hey sister, thank you so much. God bless you. But I cannot miss school today. I have to be in school because of my tests.
Hey, your body dey hot. It dey hot like fire. You sure say you go this school?
Yes, sister.
No go fall for school oh.
Sister, nothing will happen. I will not fall. Bye bye.
Birthday girl! Come on, buddy! You don't whine. See fresh legs now. Come. Make I sing happy birthday for you. Come.
I'm late for school.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Chidera. Happy birthday to you. Go well, oh.
Thank you so much.
It is well with you.
Thank you, sister. I love you so much.
I love you too. Fine girl.
Bye-bye.
Hey, bye-bye you. Take care. Hello? Bushi? This one never see your call. You don't buy the drink?
My sister go still come from school, oh.
Yes, now we dey go buy the palm wine now.
You go buy palm wine?
Me and my guys solo now. All of us they go. You don't call DJ?
Why you dey buy am for? Who want drink the palm wine? I better hurry up and buy the drink. She go soon come from school. You dey waste time. I dey wait.
And babe, they come to shut down.
See him now. Yeah? More they go.
Oh, good. Later, in babe, they come carry prepare.
You don't see him now. You don't see him now.
No opportunity to go dey express how I feel. Ngwe 1 or 2. Nwa comfort.
Boy, ane ekwoku party, gị na-ekwoku nwanyị. You got it buru. Focus.
All the man gonna press it down one.
You don't see him now. You don't see him now. You don't see him. You not gonna follow us. You not follow us again. No, go back. Go back. Make everybody go back. No, my birthday now. My birthday new. I am going to go. My birthday new. I am present. Don't come our house again. Okay, don't come my girlfriend's birthday.
Uncle.
Hey.
Uncle, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
Thank you, Uncle.
Oh. By the way, where is my baby girl?
She has not returned from school.
I heard today is her birthday.
Yes, so today na her birthday.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's no problem. I'll have to go and come back. But meanwhile, take this 5,000 naira.
Hey.
Give it to her, let her use and buy whatsoever she wants for herself.
Hey.
It's her day.
Uncle Dera go too happy. Yes. 5,000.
Yes.
Uncle, thank you.
No problem.
God bless you.
It's okay. I have to be going. I'll have a meeting to attend with my friend Oji.
Okay.
But that means I'll come back later in the night.
Okay, Uncle.
It's okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye, oh.
Bye-bye, Uncle.
Take care of yourself.
Hey. Dera go too happy, oh. Hey.
No, Dad. Yes, Daddy. I have eaten.
Tell him I brought you back from school. Say it.
Princess Adire brought me back from school. Yes, Daddy. She said I should give you the phone.
Hello, baby. Yes, I'm fine. And you? We are good. She just got back from school. She's very tired. She needs to have a shower and rest. Then later we go to my kingdom. Alright, baby. Speak to you later. I love you too. Bye.
Why are you making me to lie to my daddy? I trekked to school and I even got home with less. Why are you doing this to me? I thought you said you loved me.
No, come on, will you shut up? Keep your mouth shut, idiot. I hate you. And do you know why? Because you've taken all the attention I deserve from your father, my man. You are supposed to die with your mother, you idiot. Now hold your ears. I said your ears. If you ever speak to anyone or your father that you trek back from school, oh my God, I will skin you alive. Now get out. Leave my room! Idiot. I'm now your driver to take you to school and bring you back. Idiot. Useless girl.
Will destroy you. Is your way.
Come on.
It's too small.
Will you keep quiet before I give you everlasting mark with this cane? Are you still crying? Come on, will you close your mouth before I use this cane and pieces your body? Are you mad? So I gave you food to eat. You have the temerity to tell me that the food is too small. How dare you? Who are you?
I'm sorry.
You are very stupid. Sorry for your stupid self. Am I your maid? Do I look like your maid? Don't you know I'm a princess? In fact, you're not eating that food. Idiot. Go and wake your stupid mother from the grave to prepare your meal. Idiot. Come on, get out. Don't sleep. I said, I'll flog you. Get out. I said, get out. Sorry for your stupid self. Look at her. Little brat. I gave you food to eat. I don't blame you.
Hello, babe. How you doing? I'm fine. Everyone is sleeping. Just taking a nap. We just got back from the mall. I was trying to call you on video call, but the meeting wasn't going. Yes, you're fine. Don't miss us too much. Don't worry. Just take your time. You're good. Alright, babe. I love you too. Bye.
Listen to me. I am your mother. I know you too well. You and I know you don't like that girl. So what are you doing in this house when you know you don't like her? Taking care of a girl that you despise so much? A girl that you have never said anything good about? Oh, come on. I know you too well. Please, let me hear word. What I want to tell you now is you have to be careful. Be careful what you're doing in that house. Because he hung the phone on me. Adure hung the phone on me. It's okay.
Woman, where's your son?
What kind of question is that? Eh? How will I know where he is? Am I his keeper? Obika, please, allow me to reason. Bikokwa.
You mean you allow the princess to go sleeping in another man's house? A princess that knows her value wouldn't allow herself into that. And yet you are not doing anything about it. And yet you are encouraging her.
Obika, can I just beg you this once and for all? I've been telling you this. Allow these children to enjoy themselves. Allow them. I can remember that Adure told us in this family, in this house, that she is in love with Mervyn. That she wants to spend the rest of her life with Mervyn. But she refused. What do you want her to do? Kill herself?
And so that's why you are encouraging her to go sleep outside her parents' house. Do you realize that a princess had just gotten married on credit? Do you know the status of a princess?
Obika, because rest. Just relax. Because she's not coming back soon. She will be there till Mervyn returns. Mervyn traveled. She's there taking care of his daughter. What is even the big deal there? That she is there. Is it a big deal? No! So I don't know the reason you are yelling.
It's alright. It's alright. But I want you to tell her that I need to see her in the palace. And make sure she comes with the little girl. Nonsense. In fact, you have spoiled this girl.
Abi, can you talk about spoiled? Have you forgotten your past? Look at who is talking about spoiled. Obike, you're talking about... Hey. Get out. Oh, you have forgotten your past? Have you forgotten the days of your youth? The way you were gallivanting with your friends, molesting young girls of this kingdom, raping them up and down. You are here talking about... what do you have your son do? He took after you. Hello.
Nina.
Yes.
Nina.
Yes.
You mean that revelation I share with you out of regret about my yesterday, you are not using it against me?
Okay, you think you can run away from your past? No, you can never run away from your past. Because they always travel to wait for you in the future. But your case is different because your own is staring at you right in your presence. Yes, it's there with you. It's here with you, right here with you. As a son.
Don't stop that! Stop it! How dare you? When did that rubbish start? I'm not done. Come here!
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me. Akini baragini me. Akini baragini me. Akini baragini me.
How are you? Come closer. You are Jidecho's sister, right?
Yes, my prince.
Get into the car. I said, get into the car! Hold her! To the car, bring her here!
My prince.
You okay? Into the car! Crazy!
Did you see my sister?
No. She was in school today and I escorted her to that Ukodara and we celebrated her birthday together, though she wasn't feeling fine.
You escorted her to that Ukodara?
Yes, Obina and I.
Ha! Obina said the same thing, no? But why is her contact not going?
She didn't never come back late from school before. She never come back late. What did they sup?
Bia, come, you. You sure say you no enter anywhere? No boyfriend?
No, sir. We don't keep male friends. See that it's not like that.
I no want verse, I no want verse, I tell this girl, say today na your birthday, no go school, you know well. She say she get exam when she won't write. She then insist say she must go. Now see now.
Yes, ma'am, we did. We wrote 2 tests, chemistry and biology, not exam.
Hey, Mo, they go house first. Mo first, just calm down small. She go come back. Mo wait small. Mo they go. You sure?
Yes, I just told you the truth.
See no same face. I go deal with you if I find out though.
So I'm just saying the facts.
Okay, no problem. Let's go. Or make, if you dey lie, if you dey lie.
I'm not lying, sir.
What happened? Your robe was stained when you came back.
I'm fine, nothing.
My son, please, just relax. Talk to me, I'm your mother.
But I am not well. Can't you see, it's like I'm sick. I feel something enter into my body and makes me do most of the things I do not want to do. Things I don't wish to do. Can't you see? I feel there's something projected into my body. I'm not fine.
You had a fight with someone?
No.
Darling, please, just calm down like I said. Relax, I'm your mother. You can talk to me. Please.
Mom, please, without due respect, I want to be left alone. Please. Please.
It's okay. Take your time.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije motwa, ije bajawa. If you destroy all, something is wrong somewhere, but I can't place my hand on me. This is too much on us. If you destroy all, who will live with you? What is stand to gain with your selfish act? What is wrong with you? Upana what is rock and then no possession. If you destroy all, you are out to destroy us. You will collapse, you will fail. This is not what we expect from you. Okay, wickedness has taken over you. If
Your Majesty, our son needs help. I have this strong feeling that he has done it again. But this time, he is regretting it.
What has he done again?
He came home with stain of blood on his hand and his robe. If it is what I am thinking, Your Majesty, we really need to help him.
I remember. I fully remember. A poor woman said deep words to me. But I apologized. I atoned for it. And I made a whole lot of sacrifice.
You went astray, and our son inherited the curse. It's not his fault. Your Majesty, please, my lord, look for a way to help our son. He is the heir, the crown prince of this kingdom, please. He has been crying. I saw him with regret. Please, find solution to all this. It's not his fault. Please, let us help him.
Chidera! 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 Baby! Chidera! Baby! Chidera! Baby! Chidera! Baby! Gigi! Say you are hearing this boy. Gigi, Chidera! Oh, I'm Dikeh. Chidera! Baby! Dara! Gigi! Baby! Dara! Chidera! Gigi Dikeh! Dara! Gigi Dikeh! Come now, come, let's go. Oh, I'm not staying. I'm looking for my baby.
Her name is Chidera. Did you see her? Oh, Paboki come to Rajojo.
Chidera!
I got one cake. If I hear one from your mouth now, I will leave this searching for only you now.
Gigi Dikeh!
It's because of
Dara!
Baby mo. Oh, I'm joke.
I'm tired.
Don't
go inside though. See Abaroko. I will leave you to enter this place now.
Baby!
Dara!
Her name is not baby. Call Chidera so that people will know.
Chidera, baby, she's fair. Baby!
Dara! Gigi Dikeh!
Oh, one more Tapagazia.
Hello! That's what I've been now.
Baby!
Dara!
Chidera, baby!
You that be shouting baby. Chidera.
Is baby her name?
Why are you frowning? Where's Chidi? Have you called her?
Yes.
Called her again. Keep it. Where could she be?
She was last seen in the afternoon. We've been searching for her since. That's why we are here.
Mm-hmm. She may have gone to one of her boyfriends. Who knows? Young girls of nowadays, they're unpredictable.
Oh no, I don't understand. Oh no, why is it that anything that concerns my family, you take it personal? Oh no, the girl you are talking about today is her birthday. And Jide, the elder sister, has prepared for her. She made a cake, cooked food. Friends are everywhere, waiting for her, but she's nowhere to be found.
George, I am just saying. Who can tell? Or are you saying you know where she is?
No, my sister cannot be seen with any man. I know her. Chidera cannot be seen with any man.
But is she not the new palace chef?
Mazin Zekwe, that is not why we are here. We came to report to Awigwe that our daughter is missing. That we can't see our daughter. Even though we've sent hunters, youths into the bush in search of her, and yet no result. And you are here talking about chef or food. I don't understand.
Oh no, with due respect, Chidera, my sister, cannot do that. I know my sister, yeah? And Jide is the one taking care of her. So she cannot go against her.
Well, that's enough. I've heard your complaints. However, let the, search be what we should all embark upon. She is not less important than any other person in this community. And as long as she is under my jurisdiction, she, unlike others, it is my responsibility to protect everyone. Well, I want you to all go home now. Let's hope that, there's information about her by morning. If there's nothing from her, I promise you that I will reach out to the commissioner of police to go into a thorough investigation about her whereabouts. Once again, we're sorry about that.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're too sad, not to be strong. You're too sad, not to kill. You're too protected.
Greetings.
We could not find her body in the building.
What do you mean by that?
We searched all over the place, but we couldn't find her.
Are you sure you searched everywhere just like I instructed?
We did, in and out of the building.
Wait. Does it mean she's not dead? What? Huh?
I don't know, my prince. Or they found her.
They found her? Who could that be? Go. Wait.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me.
I am the prince of this land, the heir apparent to the throne of Eziokwu kingdom. There is nothing anyone can do about it.
This one they tell me I no want hear him. I no want take hear him at all. I go sleep when my sister no come out. Today will be her birthday. On her birthday for that matter. I dey vex like this, or I dey para. Shoo? Uncle, in fact, what are they good they talk here?
Jinetua, where are you going? Buchi, you and your friend, you must go into the bush and look for her.
We'll go, sir. Okay, sir.
Go there and look for her tonight.
Yes.
Jinetua, where are you going? Carrying gun.
Uncle, I dey go enter bush. I want to go find my sister.
Hey, follow her.
Oh, mom.
Follow her. Leave mom and follow her. What kind of problem is this now? Oji, this is the only family I have. My late brother's children. I cannot be alive and allow this kind of thing to happen to them. Let us go. I'm following.
My love, please can you tell us what happened to you today? Talk to your mama, please. Please.
I raped her sister to death.
Oh my God.
And the guards cannot find her body.
Ebuka.
Are you sure that she's dead?
I'm not really sure. I'm not certain.
Hi. Ebuka, why? Hi, God.
Just let me talk to my son. Apart from the guards, are you sure no one else saw you?
No one, Father. I'm very sure.
And you can bet on this shore?
Yes, 100% sure. I am very sure.
You have just taken an oath of deep allegiance. Both of you must not speak to anyone about what my son did today. On no account should you utter a word about it.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You have just sworn to protect and guide the palace. You just won the most crucial. I believe both of you know the implication of what you just did.
Yes, Your Highness.
Should any of you go contrary to what you just did, the gods that seek human blood shall come after you. day, night, or any time.
Yes, Your Highness.
You may now leave.
Good night, Your Highness. Good night.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Agini baragini.
No. 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 Don't come close to me.
Amara.
Don't come close to me.
Amara.
Stay away from me.
How did you get a knife?
Stay away.
Amara, calm down. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Calm down, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hmm? Calm down. Calm down.
My prince. My prince.
Who's that?
Good evening, my prince. Dinner is served.
Wow. Hey, wait. Are you the new chef?
Yes, my prince.
Wow. Come stand. Come stand here. Come to my bed. I know your bed.
My prince, no!
Hey, why are you pretending as if you didn't get satisfied? Now listen to me. If I hear you speak of what happened between the both of us outside, if I hear it, I swear to the gods of our land, I will find you and I will kill you. Make sure you don't spill. Seal your mouth forever. Now get out. Get out. Get out.
Kept on taking advantage of me. I couldn't take it anymore. I ran away from the palace. I didn't quit my job. I ran. The prince kept inflicting me with so much pain. Inflicted me with so much pain on my body, especially my private. I couldn't sleep. I can't even think straight without the event coming straight to my face. He's a monster. I couldn't tell anyone because he's very dangerous and his parents are aware of his evil crimes. They keep covering up for him because he's their heir and only son.
So you mean the prince? The prince has been responsible for everything that's been going on in my family.
Yes.
The prince deflowered my wife forcefully.
I'm sorry.
Ah!
I'm sorry.
kept quiet. I'm sorry I cannot get justice. I'm sorry, my love, please. I know you are enraged. But please don't do anything. Don't go there because we will not get justice. We cannot get justice. I know the king is highly connected. Please. And I don't want to open old wounds. Please, my love, please. I'm begging you, please. Please. My husband. Oh God. Evan, you spilled my drink. Sorry for your stupid self. You spilled my drink. Come back here. I said come back here. Evan, come back here. Come back here. Are you mad? Am I your mate? 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 Stupid girl! Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, what have I done?
Hello? Hello, Papa? Hello, Papa. Good afternoon. Fine, Papa. Hello, team. I did fine, no, Papa. With the manager small. How mommy there? Meet Mama for me.
Uncle.
Not be small thing and they pass through.
Can you see me? Uncle.
Okay,
Uncle Fuji. Uncle.
No worry, Papa. I will send something for you.
Uncle, can you see me?
So once
Uncle.
I will give you, no?
Uncle, can you see me? Uncle.
People are saying go with this small food for me. I don't understand these people.
Uncle.
You mean she is not in her house?
We did not see anyone. The compound was deserted.
Now you listen to me. I want you to search everywhere for her. Search every nook and cranny of this kingdom. Comb the bushes, the forest, and make sure you see her, dead or alive. Right? I want to be sure that she is truly dead.
Just do as the prince said.
Yes, Your Highness.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to.
Your sister has been calling.
You're to
Let me go and attend to her.
not to kill. Akini baraginime, akini baraginime, akini baraginime, akini baraginime.
What is the meaning of this? Eh? Who could have done this to this poor girl? Who could have been this wicked?
Bushi, sir, is the test result out?
No, sir.
Dara, you do hear me? Dara, can you hear me? This is not the only sister when I get uncle. I hope not be waiting that they think. I hope not be waiting that they think now it happen so. I no agree.
Please calm down now. Let's wait for the result first.
Only me and my mama born. Now just we dey live before. When my parents die, we can't come village. Now this kind of thing they happen to me, uncle. The only sister when I get. Now they see this kind of thing. I no agree.
Oh wow. Putting this kingdom they turn you into self. Eh? Uniseke again. Chai.
Hey! Oh, Uncle Bloody, come out for a private battle. I hope not be waiting at the team. Go.
From the test results, it shows that there was a forceful penetration on her private parts.
What?
Yes. And that has led to severe damage of her hymen.
Wait. Doctor, are you telling me that my niece was raped like Bakoiban?
I can't really say so, but there's 95% chances that she was raped. There is something I discovered from the X-ray. Her bone fracture was dangerously damaged, and there is outflow of osmosis down to the spinal cord.
Jesus!
Perhaps a metal hit her, or someone used her head to smash the wall. The X-ray result says so.
Wait. Person raped my sister. Uncle, the person do this thing to my sister. And then come.
Doctor, what do we do now? My niece cannot die.
We have to conduct operation immediately. Like now, we have to do that immediately to ascertain the level of damage on her skull. And our chances of survival on that is very narrow. 50-50.
Doctor, don't say that, please. I beg you. Don't say that. I beg you in the name of God.
Doctor, please. Remove that one. We don't want her to die now.
I never say she's going to die. Anyway, you will have to make a deposit of 1.5 million naira for the operation to commence. And we have to do that now. We don't have time.
1.5 million naira.
Please, we just have to do that immediately.
Okay, doctor, no problem. We'll go and look for the money. I don't want anything to happen to my niece, please. I don't want her to die. I don't want anything to happen to her. Biko.
Sir, yes, babe, I'm fine. She has gone to bed. No, I can't wake her up. She'll speak to you tomorrow morning. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm good. All right. Good night. Love you too. Bye.
It's your way. It's your character. We'll destroy you. It's your way. We lead you to If you offend the word, will suffer eternal. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence.
I want you to go to the mall and get this extra briefing for me. Here's the transport. Once you get it, just call me and send the money.
Now they go now.
Be fast, just go.
I said go.
Your Majesty, the Ezemo said that the kingdom has been taken away from you. That you've allowed calamity to strive over this land for a very long time.
How dare that wretched old man?
That was exactly what he told me, Your Majesty.
Please leave here now.
My prince, what have I done wrong?
Leave here now!
I am only a messenger and Your Majesty sent me to him.
Jessica, leave here now or you will regret your life right now. What are you doing here? Leave!
Father, can you imagine? He is a joker.
Hello, madam. I don't search for the perfume. I don't see him for any shop. I don't see him. I don't see him.
Don't worry, just come home. Hold on. Did you see Heaven?
See your daughter. I think say you carry and go school now.
My friend, don't be stupid. I dropped her off in school this morning. The school just called me and said Heaven is nowhere to be found.
Oga, madam, now to call Oga or may we call police? So may we call police now? I'm not get strength to.
Just come home, Fer. Come home, come.
Madam, you like to disturb me when I don't like.
Hey, kill her. Kill her before she wakes up and spills the pain. You bastard! What? Stick around. Stick at the hospital, alright? Don't allow her to wake up before you do what you're supposed to do. Kill her. Finish her life, right? I do not care if she's in coma or on oxygen. I don't care. All I care about is for you to kill her. Kill her! Kill her! Right? Nonsense.
My love, how is it going?
It's not going on well, mother. Right? Can you imagine? He couldn't kill her before the nurse intercepted his plans.
What nonsense. But what about the girl? Is she getting any better?
I don't know. I don't know.
What is happening to my children? Hi. This girl will expose my son. God help me. God help me.
Hello, babe. Hello? Babe, there is a problem.
There is a big problem. Heaven is missing.
Heaven?
I can't find Heaven.
The school authorities say that she didn't come to school today. So you're supposed to be with her at home.
I'm just coming from her school right now.
What the heck are you talking about?
Yes! I dropped her off myself this morning. I dropped her off.
What kind of nonsense news is that? They better find her or else I'll burn down that school. What nonsense is that one?
I don't understand what is going on. I don't know what is happening. I've searched everywhere for her.
That's not an excuse. They need to find her or else I will burn down the school with everybody in it.
Listen, babe. If I fail to see Heaven at the end of today, I will arrest everybody in that school. I swear to God, I will arrest all the teachers in that school. Everyone in that school, I'll arrest everybody.
Yes. No. In about an hour, I'll be there.
I'll call you back.
Nonsense! They better find my daughter! They better find her! It's unacceptable. Trevor, move, please. Daughter, Nancy.
So where is the rushes?
Money first.
So where is it?
The CCTV camera is damaged and cannot be able to capture any scene. So as a matter of fact, they cannot be able to track any event that happened in her school today.
Get down.
Nice doing business with you.
Is your way we lead you to? Is your character will destroy you? Is your way we lead you to?
Jide, you need to go home. You need to go and eat something.
I don't eat anything. I'm not hungry. I don't eat anything.
You've been here since, so.
Dara, I dare you talk to me. I dare hear you. He raped me.
Huh? Who raped you? Who raped you? Huh?
Shut up. You say who raped you? Prince Ebuka. Prince Ebuka rape you? Now he rape you? So Prince Ebuka tell you this thing? Blood will flow! I will kill him! If I don't kill him, I'll die! Now Ebuka tell you this thing, I put him on this condition! Doctor! Call doctor! Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Dara, don't give up. Dara, don't do this kind of thing. Dara, don't go die. Don't go die. Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Dara, don't do this thing to me now. Doctor! Dara, no. Dara, don't give up. Don't give up. Doctor! Don't do. Shit. Don't try him. That thing may want to. No mention him. Not one. Doctor, all the book where you learn from school, all the plenty years when you study as a medical doctor, everything where you don't learn, do am now make she wake up. That thing where you don't talk am. Don't talk am, I don't want you. Nothing to happen to my sister. Don't make she wake up. Don't tell me now. Do something. Use this thing. Use that thing. I mean, they walk. You know they walk. Do am, use am. Don't they tell me now. Don't make sure now. No. Don't tell me. Don't they talk am again. Don't make sure now. You don't whine.
So you have to calm down. You just have to calm down.
Your Highness. Chidera is dead. And the chief guard asked me to pass the information to the royal house and to my able prince.
You may go.
Wait. Did she utter a word?
The chief guard did not tell me anything. He met her lifeless in a ward.
It's okay. It's obvious that she didn't utter a word. You may leave.
He went out.
Follow you.
Okay, I'll convince you. I'll convince you.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill. Akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me, akini baragini me. Ije motwa, ije bajaba. If you destroy all,
we'll have to bury her immediately. Buchi! Go and call Oji for me. Be fast, also. Oh! Today, round one.
If you destroy all, who will live with you? What is stand to gain with your selfish act? What is wrong?
Your Majesty, Ichie Okonkwo and Co. have no proof to back up their allegation. Prince Ebuka may or may not be innocent. But one thing is sure. There is no proof to ascertain what exactly happened between him and that girl.
Yes, they have no proof. And even the girl is dead. So they can't say she said. Let her resurrect and speak for herself now.
That is what I am saying. Ichie Okonkwo may have written petition to the Commissioner of Police and copied you, Your Majesty. But one thing is lacking even in his petition. There is no proof. They are just accusing our prince for nothing.
And they can be sued for that. Yes.
My elders, thank you so much for your understanding.
Oh, no, thank you.
So we'll do everything to protect our prince at all costs. Everything.
This cannot be happening to me. This is nonsense. Cannot be happening to me. I left my daughter in your care before I traveled. Where is my daughter? You cannot give me an account of where my daughter is. Some something that this stupid school is talking about. Where is my daughter?
My love, please calm down. My dad has called the police. They asked him to report back after 24 hours. Just calm down. Heaven will be found. Trust me.
I don't have that 24 hours. I don't even have 3 hours to waste. Why would this be happening to me? I feel like I'm going mad. I feel like I'm going crazy. How can this stupid school open their stupid mouth to tell me that their CCTV camera is not working? How? How? All of a sudden, my daughter got missing and nobody can give an account of where she is. The whole school with the whole security. This is not happening.
I promise you, that school will get it hot with me. Just calm down, please. Should I get you some water?
I don't need your water. I don't need your water or anything that is not my daughter. My daughter is all I need right now. If you snore my daughter, please save whatever. After all, she was in your custody. Can I allow this nonsense to happen?
I know, but just calm down. Please, relax.
Don't tell me that. Don't you dare tell me to calm down again.
Ah. I am happy you told your husband though. So this is all you went through?
I went through all this and more. My sister, you will not understand. She will not just understand it. But it is well.
I am so sorry. I am deeply sorry about every ugly thing you went through in that palace.
It's okay.
Ah. I am sure Nemesis will catch up with him. Look, Karma never misses an actress.
It doesn't. Nemesis will definitely catch up with that evil prince.
My God.
But I still wanted to talk to your brother for me. He insists on going to the kingdom. But I told him not to bother about everything. But he's been adamant. Please help me talk to him.
My brother should understand that what you need at this point is therapy, not him going to fight the prince of the royal house. Don't worry. I'll talk to him. I'll make him look at things differently. Trust me.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. See you, you're so strong. Thank
you.
And you never mentioned to me all this while.
I couldn't say it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
You make me cry.
No, you're a strong woman. You don't know that.
It's okay.
Your Majesty, that was her last word before she gave up the ghost. She said he raped me. And when asked who raped her, she said Prince Ebuka raped her, Your Majesty. Prince Ebuka had the guts, the temerity to lay his hand on my niece. And today, my niece is dead. Prince Ebuka is walking here and there with guards.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, may you live long. Your Majesty, the prince molested and abused my wife before I married her, which has caused a lot of issues in my family, even up to today. Your Majesty, since I married my wife, she has not allowed me perform my conjugal rights as her husband. She has not allowed me touch her.
You mean you've not tested what you paid for?
Mba. Nothing. Even when I found out and confronted the prince, he requested that I bring proof. Your Majesty, what other proof could there be apart from the victim who is still alive and ready to tell her story? Even the queen says we hate the prince because of his status. Your Majesty, we are being oppressed. We are being oppressed.
Your Majesty, adding to what Chima here said, Your Majesty, I am surprised. I am surprised that one will be asking for evidence. Evidence on an event that happened against the recipient, against the victim. Even though we have presented the last word of the deceased, the last word she said that Prince Ebuka raped her in the hospital before she died. We've presented the doctor's report. I still wonder the kind of evidence our Igwe is clamoring for. If not for anything, Igwe, if not for anything, Chima's evidence here, which still testifies that the wife is alive, and she said this before the prince. Huh?
May I revisit the medical file?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, sir. Well, this report is attesting that one Chidera Okonkwo was molested, abused, and forcefully penetrated. Is it true?
Yes, Your Highness.
And one other Amara, as we speak, is presently going through psychological trauma, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, all these things could be fabricated. Anyone can write up a file, write up a story to make up what seems real. But that is true. Huh?
Your Majesty. Please, Your Majesty, Biko. The said deceased, my niece, my late brother's daughter, died in the hospital. The doctors are there. The nurses are there.
Everybody.
They are there to confirm the report. They are there to tell story that these things happened to her. So, Your Majesty, I don't understand. What are we talking about now?
No, please. Do not bring a case of a teenager who died as a result of rape in the hospital, in their hospital. Anybody could write any report. Report could come from anywhere, and it would seem very true. See, I decided to halt this matter, not to slip out of my hand, because I am the Emperor of the Seven Kingdoms. This case is very delicate and must be treated as such. For that reason, I have sat for a very long time and I need to take a break. So I would urge you all to leave now, and I'll invite you in a jiffy. You may go.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the word, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got half of ya. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got half of ya. Imagine you got half of ya. Imagine so you got half of ya. Imagine so you got half of ya. This your way, we lead you to hell. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to hell. If you offend the word, you will suffer it alone. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence. Imagine so you got half of ya. If you offend everybody, you suffer it alone. Imagine so you got half of ya. Imagine you got half of ya. Imagine so you got half of ya.
Why are you looking like this? Okay. You know that thing you wanted to show me that day? That I told you my eyes were spinning. Come and show me now. I'm ready to see it.
Amaya, are you serious?
I'm serious.
You're not joking.
I'm not joking.
Amaya, you're not joking. Eh? You're not joking.
They found him not guilty.
Huh?
Yeah? Yes.
Papa will go scatter things. Papa, I swear we'll go scatter everywhere. This same priest, na rape my future wife. Aboma. Tell me, even all the maidens, where they that palace, this guy don't rape all of them. Waiting the Igwe won't see. Ha!
Your Congo. This is purely injustice. In fact,
God, if I catch that priest, I go kill him. If I catch that priest, his blood go touch ground. If I don't do it, I can die. If that priest don't die, me go die. Somebody must die. Person go die.
Jide, we all have to calm down. We have to take it very easy.
I beg.
Oh. Papa, make una know they talk this, you know. Una two just there, they say calm down. Not be like this. This is
Shut up your mouth. What's happening here? Eh?
Papa, I don't know if you be woman, if you understand all this thing we talk. Don't worry now. You will see what will happen.
Sure, we have problem in this land. Is it because Prince is the son of the Igwe? Is that why he declared him innocent? Eh?
my body. Daddy, she's lying. She buried my body. Daddy, she's lying. She buried my body. Daddy, she buried my body. Daddy, she buried my body. Daddy, she's lying. Daddy, she's lying. She buried my body. Daddy.
Heaven. Heaven. Heaven, is that you? Baby girl. Baby girl. Hello, officer. Officer, please. All I need is my daughter. All I need is my daughter. I cannot even concentrate anymore. I cannot even do anything without either hearing my daughter's voice or feeling my daughter's presence. Please, I need my daughter. Dead or alive, please. I need my daughter. I know you are doing everything humanly possible to bring her back to me. But please, I need her. I need my daughter. Please, if she's dead, please just bring her corpse back to me. Let me bury my daughter, please.
Who are you?
I'm a witness to how your sister was killed by the prince. And I hope you won't reveal my identity.
Jesus. Why you not save her? Why did you save her? You did it and they killed my sister.
Stop this.
And they raped her, you don't feel do anything. Why?
Stop this. I only feel I should let you know. What's that? Please give me my phone.
Your Majesty, you demanded for an evidence of the perpetrator of this heinous crime. Your Majesty, here, this is the video. Your Majesty, we presented these evidences to the king and the prince. And the prince said that that was a doubling clip. That he is not the one in there. And that it was cloned. You mean the prince has seen this?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, it's very possible he's not the one in there.
Your Majesty, really, when we shown it to Igwe with him, that is the prince, he said it's AI. Your Majesty, I don't know what AI means. But all we know, Your Majesty, is that we have evidence. The person that took this video is our evidence. And he took this video because he saw the movement of Prince. It was so suspicious. He now decided to take this video.
Your Majesty, all I demand is justice. Justice for my late niece. The prince raped her to death. Well, be that as it may, this is my judgment. You know, this time, technology can go as far as fabricating anything to make things real, to make things seem the way they are not. Moreover, the person in question who took this video, you people just showed me, is nowhere to be found. If you had brought him here, I would know where to have start from. All the same, I'm very sorry for the loss of your niece. I will give you the sum of 1 million naira to go and bury her. And keep this case sealed. I have spoken. This is my judgment. I have spoken.
If you destroy all, something is wrong somewhere, but I can't place my hand.
Your Majesty, the video showed our son abusing the deceased girl.
You mean the video showed our son raping the deceased? And you mean that His Majesty will rule in favor of desho?
And what if he does?
Our son is a royal blood, and he will not hang our son for it. How much more sentencing to death? King Dikeh has been a family friend for years, and I do know that he will not betray me. He won't do that.
I am restless. I just wish this whole thing would just fizzle away at once.
Soon it will. And if you have never trusted me, begin to do so now. I am totally in control.
I don't want anything to happen to my son.
I just wish you can trust me for once. Our son will be fine.
This your way, we lead you to. This your character, we'll destroy you. This your way, we lead you to. If you offend the word, you will suffer eternally. If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence.
My love, don't worry. Everyone will be found alive. Okay? She will come back for us. I know you miss her. I miss her too. And I pray the police find her alive, in good state. Don't worry yourself, okay? She will be back. Stop crying. You know I hate seeing you like this. Okay? Go to her.
Princess! Princess, what is it? What is it, princess? Talk to me, what is it? Are you okay?
Princess, she killed me. The princess, she killed me. She killed me. The princess, she killed me. She killed me. She killed me. The princess.
I appreciate so much, on a serious note. No, why won't I be? I really don't know what to say. Yes, I have sent a token of 10 million naira into your account. No, it's a small money. I actually sent it through your daughter's account. Yes. Yeah, I know. It's, well, what do you want me to say? I know in big trouble that could have, I am happy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. If I had more, I hope I would have. Yeah, she's happy.
What did he say?
What does Ezomo mean that the gods rejected you? You, Ezobika of Ezuko Kingdom. No. See, let me advise you this time. You can never relent. You have to go extra miles to stop this trouble. This calamity that is about to befall you. Go extra miles to stop it. Moreover, Ezomok will be fabricating all these fallacies. You understand what I'm talking about? Yes. It's okay. Please, do not leave any stone unturned. I trust what you can do.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I will call you in the morning. Tell you thank you again.
Talk to me. What did he say?
I just sent 10 million naira to appreciate you. Our son is...
Oh, thanks to the gods.
The case has been decided and our son is...
What's the matter? My princess! What? What is the matter with you? What's the matter with you? What is it? What's going on?
Mom, it was a mistake. It was a mistake. I don't know what happened.
Adure, you killed an innocent girl and buried her all by yourself.
Mom, I said I'm seeing a ghost everywhere. A ghost follows me everywhere.
A ghost?
A ghost. Please, Mom, I need a solution. I need help. Please help me. Please. Please.
God, these children will not kill me in this palace. What is all this? What is going on? What is all this? Adure, this is too much. Oh. You know what? You will remain here in this palace. I will send for your grandmother. She will prepare a charm that repels spirits.
I should remain in this palace.
That is what I said.
You're to save, not to destroy. You're to save, not to kill. You're to protect us, not to kill.
What have I gotten myself? What is all this?
Tell my father what you did to me. Tell my father what you did to my body. Tell my father.
Hello? What? My mother? Hey! My mother is dead! Oh, Nemo! My mother! Chimo! Hey, Chimo! Nemo! 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 Hey! Open the gate. Nemo!
Move! Let Prince Ebuka! And this will come for you! Fall out! Let me kill him!
Otuji! Who left my tongue guide? The Otuji! Let me summon. Otuji! Are you okay? Come here. Come here. Are you fine? What is happening? Otuji, are you okay? What is happening?
Heaven, I saw your daughter. I was inside. I heard now him I come out, say make her check. I saw heaven. I know if you understand myself. Now him I go back, say make her check if she true. Now him I come back again. Now she.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Oga, your daughter Heaven told me that Madam, the princess killed her.
Otuji,
Oga,
there are things you don't play with. There are things you don't. This is a very serious thing. Do not play with me. We both know my daughter has been dead for a while. Now, what are you talking about?
Oga, have I lied to you before? I never lied for you before now. I saw your daughter, Heaven. I saw her. Oga, I saw Heaven. I know that you will not believe me, but trust me, I saw Heaven. I never lied for you before. I never lie.
Go inside. Go and get the car ready for me. I need to go somewhere. Now! Go and get the car ready for me! Please, I insist to go inside.
Don't worry. It is very important, so we have to meet here, okay?
I hope all is well.
Please, get down on your knees. Him who the cap hits
let him wear it. The gods of our land have chosen you as the next king of Ezugo kingdom. You may now rise.
Igwe.
You must not marry the princess. Did you hear me? You must not marry her. They are cursed. Did you hear? I will send for you in due time.
Thank you, Zemo.
Excuse me.
Yeah, man, Oga, no look am now. My salary, Oga, go Adam. You add money for me so that I will guide you well.
My son! Ebuka, wake up! Get up! Desho! Did you saw me? Ebuka, look at your mother! Igwe! No! Get up! Ebuka! Hey!
Your Majesty, Jidechowa must be killed. Ha! She committed a taboo. She killed the prince, the great prince of this great kingdom. Oh, Jidechowa must be killed on an Ekede, which is tomorrow. Look at her. She invaded the palace and murdered the prince. She must die a painful death.
I'm not fear to die. In fact, I already died now. I will be the happiest girl on earth if I die now. I won't die now. You see this prince? This stupid boy? Let me kill him. I took him on my full chest. He deserves to die. You don't whine?
It can't happen. I said it cannot happen. This is war. This kingdom will tear into pieces. It will fall flat should anything happen to my niece. Yes! Seize him! Okay. Then Bonnie, where come here? I said seize him! If the Bonnie, where come here, come to her. Are you crazy? You know what? His Majesty, Prince, the prince of this kingdom, raped her younger sister to death. All of you here watched the ugly clip. You did not do anything about it. I mean the video. Is it because we are not wealthy? Is it because we are not royals? Is it because we are of the minority? This is a clear case of cheat to death. You dare declare war in this kingdom? You are a rebel! Can you imagine? I have declared it. Anybody touch her, you will see the other side of it.
Igwe, you must free Jidechowa. You must!
Yes!
When your son killed her younger sister, nobody did anything. Eh? Igwe, the law says that whosoever accused must go down to the grave. A prince, our own prince.
And he was enjoying it, celebrating his victory. Igwe, your son committed a heinous crime. And he was going for it. Now, look at it. But let me make this very clear. If Jidechowa, the palace, did not allow her to go, we, the minority, we will shake her!
I need more water.
Sure.
Chima! You have not heard.
Heard what?
Hey. Prince Ebuka is dead.
Chimo!
Ise, you remember the girl he raped her sister and denied it? Jidechowa.
Yes, Jidechowa.
She shot him dead in the presence of his parents and everyone this morning.
Jesus Christ. You don't mean it.
I'm not joking. As I speak with you, Ezugo kingdom is on fire. The majorities are clamoring for war, while the minorities are ready to defend their own Jidechowa. I think that's not enough. Their Ezemo has declared the royal house unfit That means they are to evacuate the palace with immediate effect. All of this is happening in the kingdom.
Justice has finally been served.
Yes, so justice has been served.
See, it is not everybody that you can wrong and go scot-free.
Exactly.
You cannot just wake up and decide to wrong people. This is justice. See, this is the best news that you have ever brought. In fact, this news is very good for myself and my wife. You know what? This calls for celebration.
Yes, my husband.
This calls for
celebration.
Neka, don't worry, Be going, We'll come and meet you. We need to celebrate this.
Justice has been
my wife,
served.
hey!
Bye-bye.
Don't worry. In fact, it's rice that
No
we'll
problem.
eat. Hey!
Let's go inside. Finally. Finally! Oh God.
Officer! Come to your job! There she is. Arrest her!
Drop your weapons, all of you.
Officer! Arrest her! Arrest this girl! She killed my son and my husband!
Lolo! That's not why we are here! Officer! There is the woman!
Sorry, please, baby, I did not kill her. I swear with my life, I did not kill her. Please, I'm sorry.
You're a devil! You are a devil! You knew what happened to my daughter all this while and you kept quiet! You pretended to be an angel! Officer, arrest her, please!
You're under arrest. Keep silent. Anything you say, we use it against you in court of law.
Move! You too!
You're under arrest.
Move! Move! Devil! Move on! Get out of here! Get out of here! Move! Move on! Move on, officer! Move! 2 times!
You're too safe not to destroy. You're too safe not to kill. You're too protect us not to kill. Akini baragi nime, akini baragi nime, akini baragi nime, akini baragi nime. If you destroy all, something is wrong.
Open this gate for me. Open this gate for me. Open my house for me. Open my house. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Open my house for me. Somebody come back. I've lost everything. I've lost everything. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Can you do what you can do? Yes, come now! I will be able to
I want to say a very big thank you to you for making me not to stay in jail. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay, Florence. See, I had the emergency and my uncle had to take me to Lagos. And on our way, we were robbed. Highway robbers. And we lost everything. That's how I lost your contact, because they also took my phone. Though, after some time, when I retrieved my number, I tried calling you, but your number was not going through.
That's because I also lost my phone. I couldn't retrieve the SIM card.
You know, I flew down to Jos to look for you. But I was told that your father died and you went back to the village with your people. Florence, I really looked for you. I really do. And though I had a baby with Marble, but I was always thinking about you.
Wait, hold on. The baby she buried is your daughter?
Yes. Her name is Heaven. She's my daughter.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Oh. Please accept my condolence.
It's okay. It's okay. So, Florence, I can't believe the prince actually raped your sister Chidera. I mean, the little Chidera that we used to go to fetch firewood with, you normally carry on your back. That's a very sad experience. Please, I'm sorry about that. Accept my condolences, eh?
It's okay. Everything is in the past now. All I know is my parents and my sister will always be in my heart.
Yes. They will also be held in my hearts.
Good morning.
Florence.
So what do I owe this visit?
Tonight is my coronation night.
I know. Congratulations.
Every king deserves a queen. And you, Florence, is a perfect woman to be my queen. Yes, it's just us now. No one else but us. It is the will of the gods that I find you after so many years. Be my queen, Florence Okonkwo, Jidechora.
The Regent King, I greet you. Jidechora, please go ahead and accept his proposal. Let us go to the palace for the coronation ceremony. People of Ezuku Kingdom,
I greet you.
I stand before the gods of our land and man as the servant of the gods of our land. By the instructions and power bestowed on me, I hereby present to you Igwe Marvins Obinna Ofo as the third Igwe of Ezugu Kingdom.
If you offend everybody, you bear the consequence.